Welcome to Cortex Telemed system, and today I'm going to help you use the pharmacist's role. They play a very important role in dispensing medication, and the landing page is just the same as for the patient and the doctor, and you can start by entering in via Google or using a Gmail account like I have over here. You add in your Gmail account and a password, and then you sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll come to a landing page like the following. You'll have your personal name, which you can put over here, and then this bell over here is for notifications, and there we see QuickHealth, our badge showing who we are, and then this heading, today's issue, and then the next heading, new prescriptions, list of patients. If we just have a brief look at what today's issue is about, it shows us clearly that there's a calendar and it memorizes all the prescriptions from the patients and for that day. So for today, there are none that are going to be coming to collect their medication. So there are no issues for today. But how do the prescriptions work? Well, if we go to new prescriptions, then we'll see that here we have 3 patients, and we have the doctor that prescribed the medication directly underneath the name of the patient. If we want to know more about them, we click on detail, and there we see this still has to be made up. So we have to accept this. So we click on the accept button, and it asks us, do we want to change the status? And we say yes. And then we want to complete making up this this medication. So here we click on complete once it's ready, and we click yes, and now everything is correct for this patient. So now we can close the window, and it's off our to-do page of prescriptions. If we go to our list of patients, we will see that this one over here, that patient, Maxim, is now here. If we click over here, we'll see something new. We see that there's a green dot, which means that he has been given his medication. But there's something new, and that is the doctor's prescribed for 3 months, 3 weeks. Apologize. And we see that it has taken he has taken medication once, but the next issue is on August the 3rd. So we know that on August the 3rd, when we look on today's issue, it'll show that person's name, and it'll say make up the medication for that person. So simple. So my friends, I'm sure you will enjoy using this app, and it'll work so well with the rest of the app, and cause nice continuity between the doctor, the patient, and yourself.